Hello everybody, my name is Sergey and welcome back to another episode of the best PowerPoint games. And today I've got a brand new game and it's called SODA FART PANDA. And now let's jump into the game. Alright, so what's this game about? The main character is Panda and Panda is trying to get to the donut. And he needs to collect donuts. But to reach for the donut, Panda needs to drink soda. And right here next to Panda, you've got 4 different colors of soda. And pressing on soda will make Panda fart and launch him to the donut. Or maybe not. Let's press on any of the cans. For example, on the red one. And we hit the chair. Let's press on another one. There's on a green one. So we got the donut. Now let's press next. Press on this blue button. And now we're in another room, laundry. On the level 2 we've got 5 different cans. And also we've got different objects to crash into. So how you can use this in your classroom? For younger students, you can just let the student one by one come to the screen, press on a can, and then get the result. If they're gonna get a star, you give them stickers. But for bigger students, like let's say starting from 4 years old, you can divide them into 2 teams. You write on a board the name of the teams, and when they're gonna get a star, you're going to add points to their team. And at the end, who has the most of the points will win this game. Now let me show you how you can modify the questions and the answers. So you just need to type your own question right here, blah, 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 and then move down and then write another question. Danger. And then just put all the boxes together, save the PowerPoint, and that's it. And that's all about this game. And if you like this game, give a like, subscribe and share for more free PowerPoint games for you. And I'll see you in my next video. Peace.